Okay, Siren children, once again, I hope you all are happy and healthy and
Yes,
fit and
ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good. So, I'll take your science in this week. So, let's see. Up to 5th, you had EVS. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, yes. Now, from this year, you are going to have science and social science separately, and then Sanskrit also,
Yes.
Hindi, English,
Ma'am,
maths.
geometry, history.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. हाँ. And now you are in middle standard, है ना? अभी आप प्राइमरी में थे up to 5th. अब लेवल बढ़ गया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you are at higher level.
Yes.
So you are enjoying it or not?
Yes,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
enjoying.
Yes,
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Now it's around 12:38. All of you have taken your lunch.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, noted. Okay. So, um, those who have taken, just raise up your hand. Someone said yes, ma'am. किसका lunch हो गया है? अच्छा बताओ.
No.
Very good. Hardik, what did you eat today? क्या खाया है आज लंच में?
Ma'am, your roti.
Okay. Shaurya, have you taken your lunch?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what you are going to have today? आज क्या बनाया है मम्मी ने?
मैम अभी तक तो नहीं बनाया, मम्मी तो स्कूल गई है।
अच्छा, तो ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाया?
मैम ब्रेकफास्ट में सैंडविच।
ओके. अच्छा. अदित्रि?
Ma'am, I'm going to eat jackfruit in lunch today.
Okay, very good. And who is there? Nakshatra.
Yes, ma'am.
What will you have today?
No, I don't know.
You don't know. Acha. What is your favorite dish?
Paneer.
Very good. अच्छा. Do you know why we are discussing all these things? मैं ये क्यों पूछ रही हूँ आप लोगों से?
Because the first chapter is
Yes. अरे excellent. Well done. बहुत होशियार बच्चे. तो बड़ी होशियार बैच लग रही है मुझे. बहुत अच्छे. Well done. ठीक है. Yes. So our first topic is food. Where does it come from? जैसे तुम सब बच्चों ने अभी 2-3 बच्चों से जिनसे भी मैंने बात की, सबने अलग अलग डिशेस के नाम लिए, राइट? किसी ने कहा सब्जी आलू की, किसी ने कहा पनीर, किसी ने जैक फ्रूट, किसी ने समथिंग एल्स, एंड सबकी फेवरेट डिशेस आर आल्सो डिफरेंट, राइट? एंड
Yes, ma'am.
इवन हाँ, एंड वी टेक डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फूड. यस, अलग अलग रोज हमारे खाने में वैरायटी होती है ना?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
यस. तो
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा. So this we are going to discuss in our first chapter, that food, where does it come from? कहाँ से आता है? हम क्या क्या? अच्छा, तो mainly we eat plant product
Yes, ma'am.
and
Yes,
one more
ma'am.
thing is
Animal product.
yes,
Animal
animal
product.
products.
Animal
Yes,
products.
animal products, right? So we get our food mainly from plants and animals, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
this we are going to discuss in this chapter. So this is your first chapter of
Yes, ma'am.
yes. This is your first chapter of science. That is food. Where does it come from? I am going to share my screen. Just give me 1 minute.
Animal product.
Just 1 minute, beta. I am sharing it.
Yes.
So in fifth, who taught you EVS?
Devesh sir.
Devesh sir.
Okay. Okay. And yes.
And we can see your screen.
Okay, beta. See, I'm going to share book. Acha, before that, let me know that do you have science book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Devesh sir. Devesh.
Okay, beta, is it clearly visible to you on
Ma'am,
screen?
Yes, ma'am.
clearly
Yes,
visible.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So, who is there? Who is good at reading in your class? Tanvi, will you start reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Start reading, beta. In between, I will explain. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
What did you eat at home today?
Yes,
Find out what your friend ate today. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food at different times. Isn't
Is it?
it?
Okay. Thank you, Tanvi. Yes. देखो बेटा, है ना? Already we have started with this. I have asked to you कि what you have taken in your lunch or in breakfast or what is your favorite dish, ना? We don't take the same type of food every day. अलग अलग डिशेस बनती है ना हमारे घर पे भी. लंच में अलग, ब्रेकफास्ट में अलग, डिनर में अलग, सुबह आज अलग, मंडे को अलग, ट्यूसडे को अलग. कि we eat same type of food every day. बताओ. No.
No, ma'am.
अलग अलग
No,
टाइप
ma'am.
का फूड खाते हैं हम.
No,
हाँ.
ma'am.
Okay.
We don't eat
हाँ.
the same kind of food every day.
Yes. So now who will read it after this paragraph? Food variety.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. Who?
Ma'am,
Tell me
can
the
I?
name.
I'm Aditri.
Okay, Aditri. Continue, beta.
Ask your friends in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. See if you can also get this information from friends staying in different states of India. List all the items in your notebook as given in table 1.1 for as
Yes.
many friends as possible.
हाँ. Wait, beta. See.
Wheat
Wait.
variety
Here. Table 1.1. What?
in different kinds.
हाँ. वेट बेटा. सिर्फ आदित्रि का ही माइक ऑन रहेगा, बाकी बच्चे माइक ऑन नहीं करेंगे. और आदित्रि जब मैं बोलूंगी बेटा वेट, तो यू शुड वेट, है ना? सी
Okay,
योर, हाँ, टेबल इज गिवन इन योर बुक. सो इन दिस टेबल व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड, you should write the name of your friend and food items eaten in a day, in one day. So this activity you can do it if you want. Then you will get कि you are taking different type of food. ये तुम्हें वैसे भी पता है, right? है ना? हाँ, Aditri, now you continue from here. There seems to be so much variety in the food.
There seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. Figure 1.1. What are these food items made of? Think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Just two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. On the
Yes,
other
wait,
hand,
beta. See, now here we are going to discuss the new word ingredients. So what does it mean? Ingredients means जो भी फूड आइटम या डिश हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं वो किन किन मटेरियल से मिलके बनी है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हियर द एग्जांपल ऑफ कुक्ड राइस इज गिवन. देन टू मेक कुक्ड राइस वी नीड टू थिंग्स, rice and water, and sometimes we add some ghee or salt also in that. So all these things, salt, ghee, rice, water, all these are called what? Ingredients. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Adrita, Adrita, अच्छा, ओके. यशमीत.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अच्छा. I think you told your favorite dish is paneer.
No, ma'am. Nakshatra.
Nakshatra told it. Yes. Okay, okay. Nakshatra, which type of paneer do you like, beta?
Ma'am, palak paneer.
पालक पनीर. ओके, सो कैन यू टेल अस. अच्छा, संकल्प को माउथ वाटरिंग हो रही है. संकल्प.
Yes,
ओके.
ma'am.
संकल्प के मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. आज लंच नहीं किया बेटा? ओके. नक्षत्रा, यू लाइक पालक पनीर. तो कैन यू टेल मी उसमें क्या क्या होता है पालक पनीर में?
Ma'am, palak,
हम्म.
paneer,
हम्म.
oil,
हम्म.
water,
ओके.
salt,
यस.
and some more spices.
Yes. So all these are what?
Ingredient.
Ingredients.
Yes. All these are the
Ingredients.
ingredients of dish palak paneer. Yes. ठीक है. तो sometime we will enjoy palak paneer together when we will be in the school. Okay, Nakshatra? ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now the term ingredient, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's continue, beta. Start reading. On the other hand.
On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. To prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and so on. Activity 2. Choose some of the items you listed in table 1.1 and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare these by discussing with your friends and elders at home. List them in table 1.2. Some examples are given here. Add some more items to this list. Food items
Yes.
and their ingredients. Food item roti, chapati, dal. Ingredients atta, water. Pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, and spices.
Yes. And children, you are knowing that all these ingredients are in some proper ratio. Yes, na? If we are making
Yes, ma'am.
chapati, so you people are knowing कि sometime we add some salt also to the flour, है ना? अब अगर क्या करते हैं, नमक में आटा मिलाते हैं या आटे में नमक मिलाते हैं?
मैम आटे में नमक।
आटे में. अरे वाह, बड़े होशियार बच्चे हैं. शाबाश. आटे में नमक मिला. लेकिन it means whatever be the ingredients we are using, they are in some proper ratio, some proper quantity, है ना? कुछ चीजें हमें ज्यादा ऐड करनी पड़ती है, कुछ कम, like salt, spices, हम वो कम ऐड करते हैं, है ना? ऑयल, ये सब चीजें भी, ऑयल, घी, लिमिटेड इसमें हमें यूज करना चाहिए. ओके. तो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट इंग्रेडिएंट्स. ठीक है. Yes, Yashmeet, now you read.
Yes, ma'am. What do we find? Do you find some ingredients common for different food items? Discuss in class. So, where do these ingredients come from? It may be
कहाँ?
easy.
बेटा हेडिंग भी पढ़ना है हमें, है ना? फूड
Food
मटेरियल.
materials and sources.
हाँ.
It may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredients that we listed in table 1.2, fruits and vegetables. For instance, figure 1.2a. Where do they come from? Plants, of course. What are the sources of rice or wheat? You may have seen paddy or wheat fields with rows and rows of plants, which give us these grains.
इसको क्या कहते हैं? वेट बेटा. What do we call it? These rows and rows of plants which give us these grains. What do we call it?
Farm. Field.
क्रॉप,
field.
क्रॉप बोलते हैं.
Ma'am, crops.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Crop field.
Yes. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ. Okay. Continue बेटा.
And
Yes,
then
Smith.
there are food items like milk, eggs, and meat, which come from animals. Figure 1.2b. Activity 3. Let us take the food items listed earlier and try to find out where they come from, the ingredients, and their sources. Some examples are shown in the table 1.3. Fill in the blanks in table 1.3 and add more examples to this list.
Okay.
Figure 1.3. Source of food grains. A. Paddy field. B. Wheat grains transported. Table 1.3. Ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. Food items. Idli. Ingredients. Rice, urad dal, salt, water. Source. Plants. Chicken. Chicken curry. Chicken. Spices. Oil or ghee. Water. Sources. Animals. Plants or animals. Tea. Milk, rice, sugar. Sources. Animal and plants. What do we conclude from activity 3? Plants are sources of food. Ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Animal provide us with milk. Meat.
Yes. हाँ. So
Meat.
here we have discussed about the sources of food. है ना? Sources of food हमने देखा कि क्या है? Plants and animals. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So different.
Yes, ma'am.
In plants also, we eat different parts of different plants, right? है ना? कुछ plants की हम leaves का use करते हैं, किसी का हम roots को use करते हैं, किसी के flowers को eat करते हैं, right? Different parts
ma'am.
of different
Yes, ma'am.
plants we eat. Yes. Okay. And even एनिमल प्रोडक्ट में भी हम कहीं किसी को जो भी है, दोज हु आर नॉन वेजिटेरियंस, दे यूज मीट और एग्स आल्सो, अदरवाइज मिल्क, है ना? सो डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स वी use as our food. So what are two main sources of our food?
Plant and animals.
Yes, plants and animals. Yes.
Plants and animals.
So now one by one we will discuss. Yes.
Where we get
बेटा आवाज नहीं आ रही क्लियर. ओके, अब कौन पढ़ेगा इसके बाद में? संकल्प. ओके, संकल्प.
can I?
आफ्टर हिम यू कैन.
What do we glean from activity 3? Plants are
कहाँ
the
पर
source-
पढ़ रहे हो बेटा? एक मिनट, कहाँ पर पढ़ रहे हो?
Ma'am, he is reading page number 3.
ओके ओके ओके, आई गॉट
Ma'am, he is
इट.
reading from page number 3.
हाँ, ओके, स्टार्ट रीडिंग बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. What we do conclude from activity 3. Plants are sources of food. Ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruit. Animals provide us with milk, meat, products, and egg. Cow, goat, and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk. And milk products like butter, cream, cheese, and curd are used all over the world. Can you name some other animals which gave us milk? Plants, parts, and animals products as food.
As food. हाँ.
Plants are
Yes.
one source of our food. Which part of a plant? We eat many leaf vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants. Sometimes roots, sometimes stems, and even flower. Figure 1.4. Have you ever eat pumpkin?
एक मिनट
Flower,
बेटा, ये, यस, हाँ,
flower dipped in rice paste and fried. Try it. Some plants have 2 or more eatable parts. Seeds of mustard plant give us oil, and leaves are used as a vegetable. Can you think of the different parts of a banana plant that are used as food?
यस, है ना, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ बनाना प्लांट वी ईट. कैन यू टेल मी
Yes,
विच पार्ट
ma'am.
वी डोंट
Yes,
ईट?
ma'am.
Leaves.
Outside of the stem.
यस,
Ma'am,
यस,
outside of the stem and
हाँ बेटा, ओके, करेक्ट, ठीक है. ओके, स्टार्ट रीडिंग एक्टिविटी 4.
Table 1.4. Plants part as food. Food item with plant as the major source. Brinjal curry. Ingredient source. Brinjal chili as spices. Any other. Oil from groundnut, mustard, soya bean, and other plant. Plant part which gave us the ingredient. Fruit and seed.
हाँ, देखो बेटा, नाउ इफ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर ब्रिंजल करी, तो वी नीड फॉर दैट ब्रिंजल, चिली एंड अदर स्पाइसेस, ऑयल. तो दीज फूड आइटम्स फ्रॉम वेयर डू वी गेट?
Ma'am,
जैसे,
plant.
हाँ, प्लांट, प्लांट तो है,
Ma'am,
plant.
but
बट
brinjal is a fruit or vegetable?
Ma'am, fruit. It is a
वो
fruit
उस
because
प्लांट का फ्रूट है, लेकिन हम उसको यूज करते हैं वेजिटेबल की तरह, है ना. तो ब्रिंजल इज अ वेजिटेबल, बट उस प्लांट का जो पार्ट है जिससे वो आता है, दैट इज नोन एज फ्रूट. ठीक है, चिली, ये सारी भी मतलब ये,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, दिस इज द पार्ट लाइक फ्रूट, है ना. तो हम यूज तो इनको वेजिटेबल की तरह ही करते हैं, बट जैसे प्लांट के अलग अलग पार्ट होते हैं, लाइक स्टेम, रूट, फ्लावर, तो उसमें फिर फ्रूट बोलते हैं, क्योंकि प्लांट के पार्ट में हम वेजिटेबल नाम से कोई पार्ट नहीं बोलते. ठीक है बेटा, सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज नोन एज
Yes,
फ्रूट.
ma'am.
ओके, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, जैसे लाइक सी ग्राउंडनट ऑयल और मस्टर्ड ऑयल, दिस ऑयल वी गेट फ्रॉम वेयर? फ्रॉम द सीड ऑफ दैट प्लांट.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the seed contains fat. That's why.
हाँ, यस, ओके. एक्टिविटी 5. सो
मैम मैं
अक्षर,
Can I read?
हार्दिक,
मैम कैन आई
वेट, हार्दिक, यू
मैम take some dry seeds for moong or
मूंग और चना.
chana, but
चना,
put a small quantity of seeds in a container concealed
फील्ड.
with and
बेटा रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस करना है ना.
leave these aside for a day. And next day, drain the water completely and label the seeds in the vessels. Mark them with a piece of dot. Wait.
ओके, ओके बेटा. हाँ, वेट, नाउ अद्रिता, यू रीड बेटा. Adrita?
Yes, ma'am. From which line we have
Now
to
you-
read because our voice is not clear.
So you can start reading from activity 5.
Okay. Take some dry seeds of moong or chana. Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water and leave this aside for a day. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. The following day, do you observe any changes in the seed?
मैम वेसल का मतलब क्या होता है?
कोई भी पॉट उस तरह का किसी भी बर्तन में, है ना?
A small white structure may have grown out of the seeds. If so, the seeds have sprouted. If not, wash the seeds in water, drain the water and leave them aside for another day, covered with a cloth. The next day, see if the seeds have sprouted. After washing the sprouted seeds,
Sprouts you
can
must
see
have seen. एक मिनट बेटा. Sprouts, सबने sprouts खाए हैं?
Yes, ma'am. बहुत अच्छे
Yes,
खाए हैं.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's very,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, it's very nutritious, है ना? It's very yummy also and fibrous
And
also.
then it's full of protein.
And if we add salt and spices to it, it's even more tasty.
Yes, very good. So we should use it. We should take it.
Yes, ma'am.
Sprouts. Okay. Beta, continue.
Add some spices and get a tasty snack to eat. Do you know where honey comes from or how it is produced? Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keep buzzing about? Bees collect nectar.
Yes, you are knowing bees collect nectar from the flowers, है ना? What is
Yes,
nectar? Sweet juice.
We sit on the floor
Yes.
And the sweet juices of flower.
Yes.
and then they convert it into honey and store in their hives.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. And that's how we get honey.
Yes, we get
Produce
honey.
And then people collect it from the bees. Flowers convert
Okay.
it into honey and store it in their hive. Flowers and their nectar will be available for a part of the year. So we store this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such hive, we collect food by the bees as honey.
ठीक है बेटा. Okay. So,
And there
बेटा, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, her voice is not clear.
Yes, ma'am.
कोई बात नहीं है. Okay,
Adita,
that you are
voice
knowing.
was breaking.
कोई बात नहीं है. You are knowing how honey is made. You have studied it in your previous classes also, right? है ना? So, हाँ. तो here we will continue now after this in next class. एक साथ सारा नहीं पढ़ेंगे. आज जितना पढ़ा है उतना आप पूरा रिवाइज करके रखेंगे. You will also read it at home once and ask something about it in next class also, and then we will continue it. Okay. Some network may be there, network issue may be there, है ना? Okay, so that's all for
Yes,
today's
ma'am.
class. We will conclude it with Shanti part. All of you just join your hands, close your eyes. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Saira ma'am.
Okay, Saira ma'am. Take care of yourself. Stay happy and healthy. Bye, beta. Bye. You can leave.
Saira ma'am.
Sairam, beta. You can leave the class. Bye, beta.